this is how we jive for mass communication. I'm again with another video. You can see in front of me we have two different phones. We have iPhone 14 Plus and we have Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. So both are Plus version of phone from different generation. We're gonna see which phone can boot faster. So I take both phone in my hand. So you see Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus and iPhone 14 Plus. The power button of Samsung is here. The power button of iPhone is here. Let's see which phone can boot faster. 1, 2 and 3. Samsung logo appears before iPhone 14. Let's see. I don't know. iPhone 14 Plus is the winner in this case. And Samsung is still searching for the booting option. It's going for something for load. Okay, the phone is new, never been used. So what I do, I close this because it doesn't have any application in this case. We'll check in iPhone any application is open or not. Check many things is open in iPhone because I'm using this one. And we'll change the hand and we'll try one more time to see which phone boot faster to have a confirmed winner in this case. Let's go, let's see. 1, 2 and 3. iPhone 14 boots faster than Samsung 20 Plus. Very easy, guys. Although this phone is brand new, nothing is there. So iPhone 14 in this case is the clear winner. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.